Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to continue learning about built-in object methods of JavaScript. In previous video we learned about object.values. In today's video we are going to learn about object.entries, which is one of the most important and heavily used built-in object methods. So it is also a built-in JavaScript function to get both keys and values of an object at the same time. So this built-in JavaScript function will return both keys as well as values in an array format at the same time. So here I have a menu ordered object which consists of key value pairs. So we know that we use object.keys to retrieve all the keys and object.values to get all the values. But if you want both keys and values at the same time in an array format, you can use object.entries. So for example, you can see here I have an array where each element is an array of key value pairs. You'll get each key value pairs in a single array, then all those key value pairs arrays enclosed in another big array. So let's put this into action so you'll have a proper idea. So I'll take one variable called menu list, and here I'll use object.entries and I'll pass menu ordered object. Okay, so let's console it. Menu list, and on the right hand side in the console you can see I have an array. So if I open this, I have 4 more arrays of key value pairs, right? So if I open the first one, you can see I have key and value in the respective index. Let's be more thorough with a real life simple example. So here I have a simple JavaScript object called student marks, which consists of both marks as well as the subject in key value pairs. Our aim is to achieve an output like this, where marks scored by the student in each subject is displayed one after the other. Okay, so pause the video and try to do it yourself. Hope you tried. If you found difficult, here is my solution. So here we want both marks as well as subject to display. So that means we want both keys as well as values to display. So which object method we can use? So we can use object.entries. So first let's get the key value pairs in an array format. So I'll take one variable called student mark list. So object.entries is the method, and I'll pass student marks object. So let's console it and see whether we have got proper output or not. So I'll console student mark list. So on the right hand side in the console, you can see I have an array, so which consists of 4 more arrays of key value pairs and each array consists of the subject as well as the marks that the student scored, right? Use for of loop to iterate the student marks list. So I'll take const key of student marks list. Okay, so but here I want both key as well as value, right? So I'll take value, and these are enclosed in an array, right? So the first value will always be key, the second one is always value. Okay, so let's console it. Console.log. So I'll write you scored, and here we want to display marks. So here which variable I can use? So I want to display marks. So marks is from the student marks object, you can see marks is value, right? So I'll use value variable here, value marks in subject is key. So on the right hand side you can see I have displayed all the marks scored by the student in each subject one by one. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. For more videos like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel.